Imagine eating something that is produced over 150 million times, every single day. One product, one recipe, mass-produced at lightning speed. Now imagine seeing how it's really made, not at a backyard grill, not at a food cart, but inside a factory where meat moves faster than traffic and machines never sleep. Hot dogs look simple, but what actually happens before they reach your plate? What turns raw meat into that perfectly smooth, uniform, almost identical sausage? Because here's the strange part. They don't look like meat anymore by the time they're finished. So how does it happen? This is Infusions and Elements, where we uncover the hidden science behind mass production. So subscribe now if you're ready to step inside the factory and see what most people never do. The raw material arrival. It starts long before the seasoning. Early in the morning, refrigerated trucks arrive at the factory. Inside them, carefully inspected cuts of beef, pork, or a combination of both. Contrary to myths, factories use specific trimmings designed for processing. Every batch is temperature controlled. Every shipment is tested. Interesting fact? Meat used for hot dogs must stay below strict temperature limits to prevent bacterial growth. Even a few degrees can delay an entire production line. Workers don't handle much manually. Conveyor belts do the heavy lifting. The meat is unloaded, weighed, recorded, and then it moves into the grinding room, the grinding phase. Huge industrial grinders begin their work. These machines don't just chop. They reduce meat into consistent, uniform particles. Imagine a machine capable of grinding thousands of pounds per hour, faster than dozens of home kitchen grinders running nonstop. Cold temperatures are maintained during grinding. Why? Because friction generates heat. Heat can affect texture, and texture is everything. Interesting fact, the finer the grind, the smoother the final hot dog. That silky bite, it starts here, but we're not even close to the final product yet. Right now, it still looks like ground meat. The transformation happens in the next room, the emulsion where science takes over. This is where it gets fascinating. The ground meat enters high-speed bowl choppers. Blades spin at extreme speeds. Ice is added, salt is mixed in. Why ice? Because those spinning blades create intense heat. Ice keeps the mixture cold while allowing it to blend into a smooth paste. Yes, paste. Hot dogs aren't just ground meat packed into a tube. They are emulsified. That means fat and protein are blended together so tightly that they form a stable mixture. It's similar to how mayonnaise blends oil and egg into one smooth consistency. Interesting fact, if the emulsion breaks, the hot dog can become grainy or separated. Entire batches can be rejected if texture isn't perfect. Seasonings enter now. Paprika, garlic, white pepper, coriander. Every factory has a precise formula, measured to the gram. Consistency is king. A brand wants every hot dog to taste exactly the same, whether you buy it today or 6 months from now. The mixture becomes thick, creamy, uniform. At this stage, it doesn't resemble a sausage at all. And this is where most people would be surprised. The stuffing machine, perfect uniformity. Now the meat batter travels into hydraulic stuffing machines. These machines push the mixture into long, thin casings at high speed. Natural casings come from animal intestines, but many modern hot dogs use cellulose casings. Cellulose is plant-based and designed purely for shaping. The stuffing machine works faster than a human eye can follow. Rows and rows of linked sausages emerge in seconds. Imagine a system capable of producing thousands of perfectly sized hot dogs per minute. Each one is identical. Each one is uniform in weight. Interesting fact, some production lines can make over 1,000 hot dogs per minute. That's more than 16 every second. But they're still pale, still soft, still fragile. They haven't become hot dogs yet. The smokehouse, color and flavor. Now comes the transformation. Long chains of linked sausages hang on racks and roll into massive smoke ovens. These smokehouses look like giant industrial chambers. Inside, temperature and humidity are controlled precisely. Wood smoke circulates. The sausages cook slowly. As heat rises, proteins set. The structure firms up. The familiar pink color develops. Interesting fact, the pink color is not from artificial dye. It's created by curing agents reacting with the meat proteins during cooking. The smoke adds flavor. It also adds that glossy outer surface. This stage can take over an hour depending on size and recipe. And during this time, the entire building smells unmistakable. But something still isn't finished. The peeling a strange reveal. Remember the cellulose casing? It was never meant to be eaten. After cooking, the sausages move into a high-speed peeling machine. This machine slits the casing and strips it off in seconds. Hundreds of hot dogs move through like a synchronized wave. Smooth, shiny, perfectly shaped. Interesting fact. The peeling machine can remove casing from thousands of hot dogs per minute without damaging the surface. What's left is the familiar product people recognize. Soft, uniform, ready for packaging. The rapid chill, locking in quality. Before packaging, the hot dogs must cool quickly. They pass through cold showers or chilled air tunnels. Why rush the cooling? Because fast chilling locks in texture and prevents overcooking. It also helps maintain food safety. Factories monitor internal temperature constantly. No guesswork, no shortcuts, everything is logged. If a batch doesn't meet safety standards, it doesn't move forward. You've probably eaten a hot dog at a stadium, a fair, or a backyard barbecue, but now you've seen the hidden system behind it. If you enjoy uncovering how everyday foods are really made, make sure you subscribe to Infusions and Elements, because we reveal the factory secrets most people never get to see. Keep watching closely, because the final stage might surprise you even more. The packaging line, speed beyond human hands. Now, the cooled hot dogs enter the packaging floor. This area is pure synchronization. Machines align the sausages automatically. Count them, group them. They slide into plastic packs. Air is removed. Seals are pressed tight. Some lines operate so fast that a full retail package is completed in under a second. Interesting fact, modern packaging systems can prepare tens of thousands of retail packs in a single shift. Labels are printed, dates are stamped, barcodes scanned, robotic arms stack finished packs into crates. Everything flows like a choreographed machine ballet. Quality control, nothing random. Throughout the process, samples are constantly tested. Weight checks, texture analysis, microbiological testing, even the spice ratio is verified. Factories follow strict food safety standards, because when you're producing millions per day, one small mistake multiplies instantly. Consistency is not optional. It's engineered. The final moment ready for the world. Crates are sealed. Refrigerated trucks wait outside. Within hours, these hot dogs will be in supermarkets, food trucks, restaurants, and stadiums. From raw meat to finished product, the entire journey can take less than a day. What started as chilled trimmings is now a uniform, ready-to-cook product seen around the world. And here's the most surprising part. Despite the scale, despite the speed, despite the automation, the goal is simple. Deliver the same taste, the same texture, the same bite. Every single time. The bigger picture. Hot dogs may look ordinary, but behind them lies a combination of food science, industrial precision, and non-stop machinery. Thousands of moving parts, careful temperature control, exact measurements. It's not random, it's not chaotic, and it's engineered consistency. And now you've seen what most people never think about when they take a single bite. The next time you unwrap one, you might remember the grinders, the spinning blades, the smoke chambers. The peeling machines moved faster than human hands ever could. A simple food, built by a system designed for perfection at massive scale. And this is just one product. There are thousands more hiding inside factories around the world, quietly produced, carefully controlled, and rarely seen. If you want to uncover more industrial secrets and see how everyday products are really made behind closed doors, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Because once you see how things are truly manufactured, you'll never look at them the same way again. This is Infusions and Elements, where factories speak, machines tell stories, and everyday products reveal their hidden journey. If you're curious about what really happens behind industrial doors, subscribe now and turn on notifications, because the next production line we uncover might be something you use every single day.